No. Okay, does everybody have their number lines? Okay, can we share number lines? And then these ones too to help show us which directions. Remember how yesterday we were talking in our small group about if we go left on the number line or if we go right on the number line. So how did we determine if we go left or right? Nemi.
The left is for negative and right is for positive.
Yes, so when I'm looking at this, right, the numbers are positive going up, and left, they're negative going down. Fish? Beautiful. Let's try a few problems
Like
just
this?
to get... Yeah, it's beautiful. That's a great way to look at it. Okay, let's try a few problems just to try to jog our memories, all right? Let's try the problem 4 minus negative 2.
Negative 8 minus negative 13.
4 minus negative 2. Ladies, take your time. Don't worry, you weren't even here yesterday. Jasmine, you remember this? So, yes, ma'am.
Because if there's both.
Hold on. So tell me, so if we have 4 minus negative 2, what happens to this subtraction and negative sign? Okay, can we just say it all together since we all know?
Add sign.
We make it into an addition sign. So all we do is we connect these two lines. Boom, boom. 4 plus 2. Boom. Are we excited? I'm so excited for you guys. Okay, but now I'm going to make it a little bit harder. What if I did negative 4 minus negative 2? So the same problem as before, but this time it's negative 4. Don't forget, check out your number lines, see how you're... Oh, so let's check your signs.
This?
Yes!
I did it.
Yes, you did it. Okay.
Negative 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus negative 10. That's because I showed it all already. I showed everyone.
Think about what we would do to change these symbols.
What?
Is that a positive or a negative? Okay. Let's talk as a group about why we got that answer. Yes, sir. So if I have negative 4 minus negative 2, this turns into negative 4 plus 2. Yes?
Yeah.
So if I look at my number line, and I'm negative 4, and I have to add plus 2. So which direction am I going? To the right. So I would do 2 jumps. 1, 2. Does that make sense, Kendall? Does that make sense to you guys? So what number does that wind me up at? Negative 2. Let's see. I'm proud of you. Let's try something very similar. Negative, actually, we're going to make it a little harder. Negative 5 minus 3 equals. Think about your number line. Are we adding or are we subtracting? Which direction are we going to be going?
Negative 5 plus negative 6.
You weren't here yesterday. This took, how long did we do this yesterday?
A lot.
Like an hour. Yes.
Yes.
No. But why? 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 Let's think about this, okay? Kendall and Michael. Look. Yes, ma'am. Look. If we're here on the number, yes. If we're here on the number line. If I was going to be adding numbers, which direction am I going? If I'm adding numbers, I'd be going to the right. But because I'm going to be taking away, oh, is that why? It's negative. It's minus 3. Is that why you had it wrong? Okay, so if it's minus 3, so if I'm at negative 5 and I have to take away 3, which direction am I going? That way. So where would I end up then? If I go 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps, -8. So let's try something similar to make sure we're on the same page. If I did -4 minus 2, my answer would be what?
What's the number?
Where's your bingo? Young man.
No! Yes! 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 What does that say? Yeah. Look, -4, and then I'm subtracting -2. Boom. But how, tell me how that's different. So if -5 minus 3, you told me that it was -8. Why would that be different from -4 minus 2? Jasmine, tell me. I can't, I'm not a Jasmine
Young
mind
man is
reader,
the
but
caller.
tell
You
me.
get to play again. You have a list.
All right, let's try one more. So, Jasmine, look at me. Do you understand that? -4 minus 2, why we're going here? If I'm taking away, subtraction, negative, this way, adding, positive, this way. Yes or no? Okay. Let's try another problem, okay? I want to do 9 plus -4. What would we wind up with? Yes.
Guys, get ready for the next round.
That would be if 4
Sophia,
was
you can
positive,
take one of these.
if 4 is negative.
Then go back again. Then go back.
Are you going to put that on my nose? Blueberries. Yes. Okay, Kendall, look. So we're here. 9, okay? And now I'm adding, but I'm adding a negative
I would
number.
say to make
So
your-
this
make
means
your
I'm
hands
going
lighter.
this direction, 4 jumps. 9 plus
Your numbers.
-4. So I'm going to have to go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, when you're ready,
It's slowly gonna be out.
go for it, young man.
That's okay. Here's what I told you. What did I tell you guys yesterday about this? About
Can I tell her about double
You know what else would be a good idea?
in 1 second. What I want for you to know is that this is a really hard thing to get. And then don't you guys agree, once it clicks, then it's like, oh, I get it. But until it just takes practice. Don't you guys think after like 15 times yesterday, we started getting more problems right? But it took us a long time to just practice problems, didn't it? Okay.
You know you have to make this a plus sign, and you go whatever way it is. But
Yes. Now, what about this? What if I did, I'm going to switch this problem around, okay? So we did 9 plus -4, and we wound up with 5. -9 plus 4. What does that equal? -9 plus +4. Yes! Yes! No, you do know. What'd you get? Why is that? How'd you get that number? Awesome. So you jumped up 4 to the right. Beautiful. Should we try another one?
yes.
Yeah? How about 10 plus -3? Positive 10 plus -3. Where are we going?
This is
Yes, yes, yes,
yes.
yes. Is that getting a little bit easier? Don't you think it's one of those things you just have to keep doing it and then it's like, okay, I'm getting a little bit better. Okay. -6. -6 minus 2 equals. Just kidding. We'll survive. Yes, yes, yes. Jasmine. Sweet pea. We have -6. If I'm taking away 2, what direction on the number line? Yes. That is it. Mia? Yay! Do you want to look at the number line right here? I just want you guys to know, once you feel comfortable, you may leave and you may go play bingo, okay? So you don't feel like you have to leave. Yes. All right.
I'm gonna start to show you like this because I know that someone's looking at my zero right if I don't play bingo. I got bingo too.
Good for you. How about this? 3 minus -3. 3 minus -3. Just check your math. That's multiplication. Let me tell, what did we, yes. So, double negative, that's multiplication. What is it multiplying?
When there's a
Oh, I meant 6. I meant
and then you
6.
add it. You have a minus and a negative.
Okay, let's all take a big chill pill. Look, 3 minus -3 turns into this. When you have 2, feels like this is. When you have that minus, when you subtract negatives like that, and these are the only 2 symbols you have, this is what we turn it into. Yes. Okay, so
Wait, did I get it right?
here's one. -10 plus 10.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Again? Oh my goodness. Well, you can, but you only get 1 prize.
If I have -10 and +10, I add them together.
All right, we'll give it to you.
Oh, I got marker on my face.
Oh, it came out for you. Yes. Yeah? What do you think? So look, if I'm all the way down here.
There you go.
Yes. They come off. Yeah. Yes. But here, Jasmine, look. Yes, but how do you know it's 0? Because look, if I'm standing here on the number line.
It starts on 10, and then you go down. No, you start from here.
Wait. I'm listening to, excuse me, I'm listening to Jasmine.
So you start from right here, and then it subtracts, so then you go all the way down. And it's 0, so you're basically subtracting 10.
Yeah, so if I have -10 and +10, I'm coming back to 0 because those 2 would cancel each other out. Correct?
All right.
So what if I had -8 plus 8?
How you play this game. Sophia?
How would that be?
Wait, what's the question?
-8 plus 8. Yep.
I did it? I did
Yes,
it right?
you did it right.
Problem like 5
Kendall, correct the
minus
window.
8.
Yes.
You got to find the
Ma'am.
answer, which is
I
-3.
just looked at me and
If you have it, lightly mark it
Jingle
on
bells.
the square.
think. Bingo.
Oh boy, but yes, the answer is 0. I'm glad we are so
Let's see.
focused over here.
All right, let's see. Are we ready?
Squeeze
Go
me.
for it.
-9. -9 minus 1. What is our answer? Be careful of your signs. Yes. Let's revisit. You guys look. Number line. I'm right here at -9. Boom. Yes. If I'm subtracting, I'm going this way. So it can't go this way. It has to go this way. So if I have -9 and I have to jump by taking away 1 more, where am I going to end up?
10, -10.
-10. Sweet chickie. What's the matter?
Miss Hall. I can't see you. Oh.
Jasmine, let's try this. Yeah, but that's what I'm looking for. This way is the negative direction. This way is the positive direction. That's what we need to remember. Yes. Jasmine, let's try this. Are you ready? Are you ready? 5 plus negative 2. Oh, what does that equal? Look at your number line. So we're here. Wait, everyone else wait. Jasmine, you look at me. Positive 5. So if I'm adding negative 2, where am I going? Yes, by how many jumps? 1, 2. What's my answer? Say it loud and proud. Did everyone hear Jasmine with the right answer? 3. Beautifully done. Okay, Jasmine. 6 plus negative 1. Jasmine, what am I looking at? Don't anyone else get the answer. Jasmine, you tell me the answer. Use your number line. 6 plus negative 1. What is it? 5. Yay. Great job. Okay, how about this?
Yeah.
Negative 1 plus negative 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1. What sign is it? Yes, ma'am. Negative. No. Yes, yes.
Yes!
Negative
Yes! This hole.
Yes.
She didn't even finish her.
Yes.
Why are you frightened?
Now, excuse me. Jasmine, how did you know that it was negative 2?
Let's do it again.
Negative 1 plus, ladies, negative 1 plus negative 1. Can you explain to us how you got negative 2?
So I started from right here, and
So you start right
no,
here.
I started right there, and then it said negative 1 plus 1, and then negative 1 plus 4. I just jumped in 1.
So I think that you guys are doing pretty well. So I think we should do one last problem. If we get it right, then it's time for B-I-N-G.
And bingo wasn't
How does it like math bingo? You guys, I made this whole game for you. Don't you want to play it?
Yes, I will.
Okay, let's try this. Let's see if we can get this right as a group, and then we're going to try to bingo.
Can we play back here?
Well, it's really scary with the bingo player.
9
I'm
minus
wondering why it's so
negative 1.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Think about your signs. Yes.
Oh, then
I put negative. Why is it negative?
Wait, what?